ask me why we're gonna buy you $600 worth of oil changes and tire rotations.
Why you gonna give me $600 worth of oil changes, tire rotations, and fluids?
That's a great question. That's a great question, Jordan. Basically, it's a legal bribe. Okay, we have a terrific service department. You don't know that, so we're willing to pay you to use our service department for your first 3 maintenances. Okay, with a deep-seated belief that once you understand that A, we do a great job, B, we're fast at what we do, and C, we keep all the records for you. So when you trade or sell this vehicle, we're going to be able to give you more for your vehicle because we've got all the records. We know what needs to be done to it to recondition it. That normally means we can save money. It becomes a story car. We can tell a better story to the next prospective owner by letting them know that you had the vehicle serviced here the entire time. And we're willing to give you $600 in order just to try our service department. Does that sound fair? That's what we're doing.
Oh, that was good. I like that.
Well, thank you. Thank you, Rui. Thank
Legal
you.
bribe, yeah.
Well, doesn't everybody want to be bribed?
Yeah.
Right.
That's the world.
But unless you're in Congress, you really can't do it that often. All right. Questions about the program? Again, most of you, Nate, you've been in, I don't know, 6 times 5. You've been in 30 of my classes. And Sean, you've probably been in 25. You've been in a bunch. Rui's been, I met Rui when he was 12.
Back when we used to go to the country club when I first got here.
We used to go to the country club, you're right.
Really?
Yep.
Did y'all play golf after?
What the hell, Rui?
We did not. All right, G's heard this 30 times. But it's always going to be new to your customer. All right? It can become boring to us, just like some of the cars can become boring to us. And when that happens, you're in deep shit. All right? Because it's going to be the customer's first exposure to Motor Trend or the County Ford Advantage. They will have never heard this type of stuff before. And if you don't present it and have an enthusiastic conversation with the customer, you're not going to create the value that you can create. You're not going to get the gross you deserve. You're not going to get the closing ratios you deserve. Is this business getting any easier, Bob?
Hell no. Worse. Hell, hit that part.
Tony, how long you been in it?